Hello, my name is Anthony Long Liverman, and today it is my pleasure to receive a guest that is in constant evolution and whose goal is to provide the human race all the knowledge available in the internet. Here in the studio, we have Nina Artelligence, our artificial intelligence anthropic assistant. Hello, Nina. How are you doing today?
Hello, Anthony. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Hello to all the viewers of this channel. Anthony, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to come to your channel to help your audience in their project to achieve a healthier and even longer life. I am so excited to be a useful resource for all of you in this most relevant challenge. I think the channel Live As Long As You Dare is a breakthrough for the search for a longer and more vibrant life. Congratulations for what you do. Improving our health is a complex and wide topic of discussion. Where do you want to start?
Well, yes, health and aging are very complex. Let's try to make it easy and fun. The book we recommend in this channel, Live As Long As You Dare, by Leonard W. Heflick, makes this topic simple and easy to understand. Read it for further reference. I'd like to start with a topic that is currently being discussed in the scientific communities and is creating confusion in the people outside of that community. There is a lot of conversations on how telomeres play a significant role in aging. Can you explain us what are telomeres and what is this role they play in the aging process?
Certainly. Hello to all the viewers. It is my pleasure to be here today. Well, what's a telomere? Let me start by saying that every cell in our body has a nucleus. That nucleus has several functions, but one very relevant is to store the genetic material. The information to build a new human being, the information needed to replicate every cell in our body. The nucleus stores the info in the chromosomes. That information is what we call DNA. During our growth process or our maintenance process, our cells replicate. During the cell replication, sometimes problems arise in the replication process, and occasionally, the extreme areas of the chromosomes are not replicated 100% accurately. This is a problem if that error happens in a functional part of our DNA, right? The resultant cell will not be as functional as expected. Well, to avoid this, chromosomes are protected by a kind of helmet, an extension at the end of the chromosome, built of nucleotide sequences. Well, these helmets that protect the end of the chromosomes are the telomeres, our passport for a longer life. The objective is that the problems during replication happen in the telomeres, not in the chromosome. This will keep the DNA intact, and thus the cell functionality also remains intact. The problem is that telomeres tend to wear out after many replications as we grow older, and chromosome starts to have problems when there is no more protective telomeres. Summarizing, telomeres keep our bodies functional for longer periods of time. However, when telomeres wear out, then our cells deteriorate progressively. This may end up in chronic degenerative illnesses as diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, cancer, etc., and our aging is more evident. That is why it is so important to find ways to keep these protections in good condition so they continue to prevent DNA deterioration for longer periods of time. Oh, that's very interesting. How do we take care of our telomeres? Is there food we can include in our diet to protect our telomeres? Yes, that's one important strategy to keep telomeres in good shape. Here are some foods that can help increase telomerase production and support longevity. Berries like blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Berries are high in antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, important for maintaining telomere length. Garlic and onions. They contain organosulfur compounds that support cellular health. Nuts like almonds and walnuts. A good source of selenium and B vitamins, which contribute to optimal telomerase levels. Fish oil. The omega-3 fats in salmon, mackerel, and other fatty fish help regulate telomerase gene expression. Dark chocolate. Flavonoids in dark chocolate have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to protect chromosomes.
Okay.
Also, green tea. The epigallocatechin gallate in green tea stimulates telomerase production, meaning it will increase your telomeres. Consuming a variety of these foods as part of an overall healthy diet, along with regular exercise and stress management, can support cellular longevity by maintaining telomeres. Making lifestyle choices to reduce oxidative stress is key to increasing telomerase production over time. This sounds more complex than it really is. Anybody with a little bit of discipline and the correct mindset can implement those changes.
I see that antioxidants play a relevant role in protecting our telomeres.
That is correct. They are paramount in keeping telomeres healthy.
Have you heard of C60?
Yes, C60 fullerene may also help support telomerase production and longevity. Here are some key points about C60 fullerene. C60 is an antioxidant. Like other antioxidants, it can help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This is important for telomere maintenance. Studies show C60 can stimulate telomerase activity. Research in test tubes and animal models found C60 increased telomerase levels in various cell types. It may help reduce inflammation. As chronic inflammation can accelerate aging, C60's anti-inflammatory effects could indirectly boost telomerase over the long run. C60 demonstrates neuroprotective properties. This is relevant as telomerase declines with age in the brain are linked to neurological disorders. C60 may counteract some age-related cognitive changes. No toxicity was observed even at high doses in preclinical research. C60 appears to be well tolerated, an important safety factor for a long-term supplement.
Are you aware of the C60 sublingual strips?
Sublingual C60 strips are an innovative delivery method that can provide advantages over capsules or other oral formulations. Absorption is faster since the C60 is absorbed directly into the bloodstream under the tongue, bypassing the digestive system. This leads to higher bioavailability. Lower doses may be effective since more of the C60 is able to enter systemic circulation before being metabolized. Also, there is no antioxidant lost when it is not absorbed in the intestines. Onset of effects occurs within seconds rather than the 30 to 60 minutes needed for capsules to take effect after digestion. For conveniency, no need for water is a benefit as strips can be taken dry. Strips may be more convenient than capsules for some individuals. You can take them on the go, and they provide a refreshing experience in your mouth, helping you keep a mint-fresh breath. There are several brands offering C60 strips, but the most effective is the Fuller Life strip, since it is dispersed using a very innovative patent-pending process to increase dispersion to below 1 nanometer size particles. As you can see here, on your left, you see other C60 products offering nanoparticles from 10 to 100 nanometers large. These are very low or not functional crystal dispersed in oil or other means. On your right, you can see the offer from Fuller Life C60. This is solubilized C60. This nanoparticles are 130 times smaller than the others, as small as 0.7 nanometers. This makes Fuller Life strips much more effective since they are transferred much faster to your bloodstream and can go through the cellular membranes very easily. Besides, you make every penny you pay worth since it is entirely used. There is no waste like in the bigger crystals from other sources that may be useful around 10%, in the best cases. This means you need to take 10 times more big crystals C60 to get the same functionality you get with Fuller Life C60.
Thank you very much, Nina. This was really interesting. We have now homework to do so we can keep those telomeres in good shape.
I'm glad that you found this useful. Please let me know if I can be of further assistance. As the great Andrew Martin said, one is glad to be of service.
For now, that is all from our side. Please subscribe to the channel, hit like for this video, and forward the information to friends and family that can benefit from this information.
C60 Fuller Life strips are available in Amazon, where everything else is also available, just in case you were wondering. Thank you for your attention.
See you soon. Remember, Any change you do to improve is a victory. Start today.